morning, guys. Today we'll have a discussion on looping statements in Python. In the last class, we have seen what are the conditional statements that are offered by Python programming language. We have seen if condition, we have seen nested if condition, as well as elif statements, how to use, and if there are multiple conditions available with us, then how to proceed with that. That we have seen. Today we will see the looping statements. So loop is what is the loop? Actually, looping statement means suppose there is a repeated code that is to be repeatedly done. Okay, then you can actually have a looping statement instead of writing multiple number of lines. Suppose I have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on up to 10. Okay, a normal procedure will be what we'll do is num equal to 1. Okay, then sum equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We have to write everything, right? 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, this is fine if the numbers are 10, but if you want to add like 1,000 numbers from 1 to 1,000, so this approach might not be useful for you. Okay, so if I print sum, you would actually see the sum to be it is 10 in n into n plus 1 by 2, as you know from the mathematics. So it is 10 into 11 by 2. So that is 10 into 11 by 2 is, I think it is 55 or something like that. So it's still allocating the RAM over here. So how can we do this with the help of loops? Okay, so it is still running. It is connecting to the uh, RAM. Yeah, it is 55. You can see that. So how can we do that using for loop? Okay, so this one, suppose that the same thing for I in range of, okay, 11. Okay, for I in range of 11. Okay, that means I will travel from 0 to 10. I will travel from 0 to 10. Okay, I will travel from 0 to 10. If you want to decide the starting number also, you can decide 1 comma 11. So this one is starting number, this one is ending number, and the loop goes up to ending number minus 1 only. Okay, from starting number in the range function to ending number minus 1. Suppose that I print I. Okay, you can see that it will be printed from 1 to 10. See this, 1 to 10 printed, right? Want to print it horizontally, comma, and equal to space, then you will see that there it is printed horizontally. Okay, so now what I will do is I want to make this like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equal to 55. That result I want. So for that, what I will do is initially I will assume some value to be 0. Okay, then I will add some value, some plus equal to I. So every time the I gets added here. Okay, so first iteration 1 will be added, second iteration 1 will be added, and it will be stored in the sum, right? This sum plus equal to I is nothing but sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, so for every iteration one number will get added and will get stored in sum. So if I print sum now here, okay, print sum. Okay, so I'll print sum. So if I print sum inside the for loop, for every iteration what is sum you will get to know. Okay, for every iteration what is the sum you will get to know. See this one, first iteration 1, Okay, second iteration 1 plus 2 became 3. Third iteration 1 plus 2 plus 3 became 6. Fourth iteration 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so on up to the last one, which is 55. Okay, one number is getting added, but I want the result like only the last one. Okay, print of sum, I got it to be 55. Okay, how this is working again I will explain. So initially I have assigned some value to be 0. Then what I have done is I have run a for loop from 1 to 10. Okay, the I value starts from 1 and ends at, okay, whatever the number is there in the range, second number. So this is the end. Okay, this is the end actually. So that number minus 1. Okay, so this loop will run from 1 to 10 only. Okay, 1 to 10. So what will happen? Sum plus equal to I. So initially sum is 0. So what happens? 0 plus equal to 1. What will happen? 1 gets stored in sum. Then 1, then again sum equal to sum plus I. So initially sum has the value of 1. Okay, so now 1 plus, now because the I value is 2, so it becomes 1 plus 2, which is 3, will be added there. So like that, but I want this output. Okay, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equal to 55. I want to display it like this. So how can we do that? So because we can do one thing is we have to convert every number into string. Okay, while we are taking I itself, we'll convert it into string and then add like this. Okay, then it will make concatenation. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, see here, I will take some s is equal to some string. Okay, some underscore ac equal to, okay, equal to some underscore ac. Okay, I want to add I. Okay, what I, string value of I, then it will become string. That is good, but I want to add it with plus sign. Okay, if you do like this and print some ac, what will happen? It will print 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, because some ac is a blank string. Okay, plus str of I means I will be converted to, okay, the numerical values are stored in here and string values. Okay, so what will happen? So blank plus 1 will be the first iteration's value, blank plus 1 will become 1. Okay, blank plus 1 plus 2, string 1 plus string 2 will become blank, I mean 1 2, it will become 1 2, plus will not be there. So in order to have this plus, okay, this plus is for concatenation. Okay, we are concatenating I values, okay, in the flow of the loop. So another plus we need to have, that is for this plus to be displayed, that is also should be a string. So how we are going to add that plus? So plus, you needed to add plus like this. Okay, and here plus. Okay, yeah, this would be sufficient. So you have added another plus over here. Okay, so now what will happen? In between the numbers plus will appear. Okay, so now I can have this, I will also print sum AC. It should come the left side one. Okay, so print of sum AC. Okay, yeah, see here, yeah, initially also plus is coming, right? So this plus is not required actually. So how can we eradicate that? Okay, we have a statement if I equal to 0. Okay, if I equal to 1, yeah, we are getting that. We can actually remove that first thing. Okay, so here we can actually have a slicing print of from 1 to last. Now let us see what will happen. Yeah, this is string slicing. Okay, so we have sliced the string. I mean, what it is doing is, if you are keeping here 0, entire thing will appear. Okay, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 like this. But if you keep 1 here, what will happen is, okay, the first element whichever is there, which is plus at the start, will disappear, because the this value will be taken from the, this is at 0th index of that string, and this is at first index, and this is at second index, and this is at third index. So you are taking it from the first index. So what will happen, this gets ignored and it will start taking the value from here onwards. So 1 is 2. So what will happen, you can see that. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3, but I want 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equal to 55. So how can I do that? So I can do print of, okay, you can take the f string sum, yeah, you can take the f string and keep sum AC, this one. Okay, which we have tested it now itself. Okay, equal to, which is actually a string, equal to the numbers actually. Okay, equal to sum, and this sum is also, yeah, this sum is also a is uh, is also a value that will be extracted from the above, but this sum value is integers based and this is string based. Okay, so here a real addition will not take place, we are just displaying all those things. See this one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equal to 55. Very good. This is how we can actually perform it. So now we'll see, okay, how we can do, like the same thing applies for if you want to do it for 100 numbers. Okay, you can just change this to be 101, and you will have a long list. Okay, just change one number and you can see that it will display the sum of 100 numbers to be 5050, which is actually the case. Okay, that is fine. Now what we'll do is how to implement a while loop. While the same thing I will do with while loop as well. So I'll take sum equal to 0. Okay, while will not auto increment, we have to increase the while condition. So I'll take I equal to 0, or okay, suppose that I want to uh, I less than or equal to 10. Okay, I want the numbers to be up to 10 itself. Okay, up to 10 itself. I mean, now I want to add the numbers up to some 10 itself. Okay, sum plus equal to the same logic. Sum plus equal to I. Here the difference is we need to increment the I value. So I plus equal to 1. We have incremented the I value. So now we have the sum value that is stored in the variable sum, and I value is being incremented, and we stop when it reaches the 10. So now if I print sum, it should show 55. Yeah. So this is how we can actually work with looping statements in Python with respect to numbers. And what if they are strings? Okay. So suppose there is a string like this. Uh, my name equal to my name equal to Sai Saina. Okay. So you can have for character. You can keep anything here for char in my name. Okay. For char in my name. Okay. Print of char. So what will happen? It will go to every character. For character means for every character. Okay, it is seeing every character. So if I print this one, it will print characters vertically. All the characters vertically. Okay, sign up. So for character in my name. So for character in my name means first it will take this character, then it will take this character and print. Okay, horizontal. If you want it to be separated and equal to, you want to separate them with comma and make them horizontal, you can see s comma, simply place and equal to whatever you want. Okay, and equal to comma. Okay, but by default and is slash n. Okay, slash n means new line by default if you don't place anything. So similarly, we can also have a looping statement like for I in range of, okay, length of len of len of will give the length of it. Okay, print of, so len of is the keyword, print of. Okay, what I want to print here, we are taking as a numeric case. Range of means it is numeric. Okay, length len means the length of this one. What is the length of this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 is the length of the string signer. So if I print I here, print you should not print I actually. So you have to print, you have to call it by my name, that is the string my name of I at index location, that one. So if I print this one, you'll have the same result. Okay, sign up, and if you place comma, and how to go through the uh, string, that is what I am saying, and equal to this one is going to have the same effect. Okay, then uh, yeah, like similarly we can apply the this thing I logic of this one for while loop as well, in the same manner. Suppose like my name equal to sign on. Okay, okay, but I'll take I equal to 0 while I is less than len of my name. Okay, then what I need to do is I want to print, what I need to print is my name of I, and I need to increment I plus equal to 1. Okay, this is the same as the for loop. This performs the same function as the for loop. You can see sign are being printed over here. Okay, so while and these things have the same uh, thing, like same functionality, but only thing is we have to manually increment the uh, index while using the while loop, whereas for loop it will automatically increase. Okay, we'll take, there is a function called range of, okay, for I in range of, okay, range of length of len of my name will give the length of this particular string. Okay, so for I in range of 7. Okay, so my, first of all it will print my name of 0, then it will print my name of 1. My name of 0 means yes, it will print. Okay, this is at 0th index, right, and this is at first index. Okay, then it will print my name of 1. My name of 1 is a. Okay, and we have a separation here with comma, and equal to comma means will be every after every print statement comma will be printed. Okay, now we'll see how to access list elements. This is also very important. Suppose I have uh, three fruits names: apple, banana, orange. Okay, then for Eli in, okay, I want suppose that this is my list. Okay, my list equal to, so this apple is at first index and banana is at, I mean apple is at 0th index. Okay, indexing starts. Okay, this is list because it's a square brackets, it is list. Again we'll see lists in the another thing. So for ele, okay, for element, okay, we can place anything over here. For element I am placing for ele in my list. Okay, print of my list. Okay, we'll print all the things. Print of LE, sorry about that. Print of LE. Okay, if you print of my list, it will print this list three times because there are three indexes. Okay, for element in my list. Okay, this is first element, and this is second element, and this is third element. First element is at index 0, second element is index 1, third element is at index 2 because indexing starts with 0. So if I print that, it will print apple, banana, orange. Okay, same thing. Instead of using this, we can actually use another thing called, yeah, we can also use numerical thing over here. So for, okay, instead of element I in range of, okay, we have to use so many things if you are using this one, range of length of, okay, because now I will run from range of is a function, and inside range of you must have integer, remember that. So length of my list will give the length of this one, which is nothing but 3 because there are three elements. So now if I print, okay, my list of, my list of I, okay, because this is at 0 index, so my list of 0 will give you apple, my list of 1 will give you banana, my list of 2 will give you orange. Okay, apple, banana, orange. Okay, same thing. So how many ways we can write for loop statements we are seeing. Suppose I don't want to, what you can say, uh, print banana. Okay, rest of the things I want to print. Okay, so then what I can do? I want to skip banana. Okay, then there is a statements called break and continue. If if my list of if my list of I equal to banana, what you'll do, you'll continue. Okay, you'll not print actually. Okay, you'll continue. Otherwise, what you'll do, you'll print. Okay, my list of I. Okay, so this should actually skip banana and print the rest of the things. Okay, so what is the difference between continue? So uh, if that particular element is banana, what it is defining, what it is saying is just continue. You skip this one and continue with the rest of the things. Okay, then what is break statement? Break means, okay, it will only print apple. Okay, when it reaches banana, it will break and come out from the loop. Okay, it will not continue with any other values. Okay, break. Okay, see this, only apple will be printed. When it hits banana, that is at index 1. Okay, then it will break out of the loop. Okay, and come execution completed. Even if you have any other things, okay, you have million things also here, like guava, okay, grape. So we'll stop at apple itself. Okay, then what is this thing continue do is, it will skip the one thing that is mentioned inside mentioned inside the if statement. Continue, that will do. Okay, so if I replace this list with a list which contains more number of elements, you can see it will skip banana and it will print rest of the things: apple, orange, guava, grape. All the things will be printed. Okay, apple, orange, guava, grape. Only banana is skipped. Okay, here break means it stops the execution of the list over there when it reaches that element, and then comes out of the loop. So it will execute up to here only. Okay, that is the difference between continue and break. Okay, these are looping statements which are available. So how to make use of while loop to iterate or through the list, that we'll see today. So we'll have I equal to 0, then while, okay, I less than length of, len is a keyword to get the length of either the list or the tuple or the string. Okay, here we have a list, so I'll do my list. Okay, then I want to print, right, print of my list of I, print of my list of I. Okay, and I want to increment the I value. If I print it now, you can see apple, banana, orange, guava, grape. Everything is printed. You can incorporate these statements as well. Break and continue. They are not going to change inside the while loop. Okay. If you incorporate them, you will get the similar results. So for loop and while loop are obviously for serving the same purpose. The only difference between for loop and while loop is you have to write an incremental statement over here and assign a value here. But whereas while writing for loop, okay, there is nothing like that. Okay, there is nothing like that. Okay, this ends our discussion on looping statements in Python. The for loop and while loop were discussed, and how we apply them to numbers, how we apply them to strings, how we apply them to lists. These are the things which we have seen in today's class. Thank you. We'll catch up tomorrow with some other topic.